Hi, this is Miss Fouché, your media specialist at Barack and Michelle Obama Academy. I'm making this video because it was requested by our kinder teacher, Miss Devant. She would like to have her kids access her assignment and be able to um, answer the questions independently and turn in the assignment. So let's get started. First, I want to make sure that you are in your Google Drive. Remember, make sure you're signed in to your APSK12.org account. Click on the waffle and select Drive. Your drive should come up looking similar to this. Click on the Settings icon and then click on the Word Settings. Make sure that this button is selected in blue. Convert uploads. So that means anything that I put in, it will convert into a Google format. If I put a Word document into my drive, it will convert it to a Google Drive, Google Doc format. So let's begin. Once that's done, I actually accessed the file that Ms. Devant sent me, and she wanted page 17 to be the assignment. So I simply highlight page 17, Control C to copy. I opened up another window for Word and I Control V to paste because we only want this one assignment. At this point, I saved it as Kinder Devant, Control S to save, and I'm done with that particular work. What I do is, since I know I saved it and I know where it's located, it's here. What you do next is minimize your screens and go back to your drive, and you simply highlight, click, drag, and drop. So now it's being uploaded into my Google Drive. It's very important that you have it uploaded into your Google Drive. And at this moment, it is doing its work and its magic. It's converting as well as dropping in. When it finishes, you'll see that green icon that says check mark. And if you want to locate it, you just simply go ahead and click on this folder where that green check mark was. That way you don't have to search for it, and it'll show it to you inside the file, inside of your Google Drive. Here's the doc right here. And you can see it's converted from a Word doc. It doesn't have a W there. It has some lines, and that's the icon for a Google Doc. Now, let's continue. Go back and access your Drive area again and access your classroom. If you don't remember how to access your classroom, you make sure that you're logged into your APS account and you click the waffle and click Classroom. I'm already in kindergarten and I'm up under classwork. Here's where I click Create. I'm going to create an assignment. I'm going to title the assignment. I'm just going to say Kinder Math Devant. And then I'm going to look over here. I'm going to only put this in my kindergarten class, and I have to make a decision. Do I want this to go to specific students, my entire class, or the entire kindergarten? So if you're working as a team, you can always just upload one assignment one time because it will go to all students if you have this option checked. If you click on the down arrow triangle, it will show you an option to deselect and select individual students for individual assignments. In this case, I'm going to leave it to all. I'm just going to leave here all these things by default. Here you can add additional instructions like please complete by this time, and you can do a due date if you would like to here. I'm going to click add because this is where I'm going to add that document that I created. Click Google Drive, and it should show up right here at the very top of your docs. You simply double click or click and then add, and it's here. This is the important part. Here, students can view file. That means the students can simply view it, and that's it. Students can edit file. That allows them to go in and edit. Let's say you type something and you wanted them to go in and make changes. You can do that. You also need to click, this is the one that you want to click. Click make a copy for each student. Make sure you make a copy for each student. Once you do that, you are able to assign this assignment. And that's it. Every student will have a copy in their name, and those students will be able to complete, annotate on top,